Hey guys, what's up? In this video we are gonna show you how to make your Instagram account private. As you may already know, Instagram is one of the most popular sites to network and share social life, but for one reason or another some people want to have some privacy and wish to share their content with their own followers. So how to do that? Watch the video to get the answer. First and foremost, log into your Instagram and from the bottom right corner hit the profile icon. Then go to a menu icon. You can find it on the top right corner, the three lines. Afterwards select setting and look for privacy. Then from account to privacy turn on private account, changing the icon from white to blue. If you want to get back to the original state, follow the same steps and turn off this icon. Remember, people need to send you a follow request in order to see your posts and keep up to date with what you share. On the other hand, anyone can send you a message even if they are not among your followers. If you don't want to make the whole profile private, you can select specific photos you want to hide and tap on the three dots above the photo to the right and choose archive. The photo then is moved to your archive and hidden from your profile. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.